The souls of all the faithful departed, through the mercy of God, rest in peace. Let John Okafor, may your soul rest in peace. Amen. Let Amechi Monago, may your soul rest in peace. Let Deji Aderemi, may your soul rest in perfect peace. Amen. Let Zulu Adigwe, may your soul rest in peace. Let Don Brimo, may your soul rest in peace. Amen. Let Cynthia Okereke, may your soul rest in peace. Let Onyeka Unwenu, may your soul rest in peace. Let Junior Pope Wodo, may your soul rest in peace. Amen. Harvard Ngwe, may your soul rest in peace. Let Stella Ikwebu, may your soul rest in peace. Amen. Let Ifeanyi Uba, may your soul rest in peace. Let Adejumoke, may your soul rest in peace. CC Quadri, may your soul rest in peace. Amen. Etelebe, may your soul rest in peace. Amen. Let Sharon Obaman, may your soul rest in peace. Amen. Let Mobad, may your soul rest in peace. Amen. So many others I can't remember. Better I am because I got amen. Amen.